Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, and I am here to present the line dance, All I Want Is You. The song is All I Want Is You. The artist is BONEY James and October London, and the choreography is GLORIA O'Quinn. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you're interested in a step-by-step instruction, watch till the end and I'll post it at the end of this video. Also check out the choreographer. Also, please check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. For detailed information, please visit our website at www.lmiunola.com. And here we go.
It's your essence, but my confession, it's like you set me free. Preconception, indiscretion, teach me lessons, let me know your boundaries. You got me on fire, and I can't stop. No, all I want is you. You should let me get you ready, dress you in Fendi. I'll fill your tummy if it's empty. Maybe after a little wine and some laughter. Ooh, girl, I'm at ya. Everything you want from me. You got me on fire with your love, and I can't stop. No.
And there you go. All I want is you. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.